EU, French speaking for Belgian flag, LNG, LPG, offshore drilling, accommodation, barges to Embark. If you are an European officer and tu parles français un peu, beaucoup de français, parce que si tu es junior officer, c'est possible maintenant des applications à Candina because we have this new Belgian ship owner. As you know, Europe is a disaster for the strategic maritime training policy and the same education system. So it's 26 different flags, systems, nationalities. Now European flags require a lot of European officers, and those that come from Portugal, Spain, Romania, they have this Latin language like the French. So it is easier for us that we have been trained under the Spanish and the Latin origin languages. C'est fácil in Spanish, and in Romanian is the same thing. So also there is plenty Arabic now, second generation merchant officers in Europe and also in France, which they come from Maghreb and they speak French as a second language or the first language. Please apply also. Now Candina will expand to the Belgian flag, LNG, LPG, offshore, which is drilling, accommodation barges. It's a huge company, Belgium social security. If you are from the offshore sector, if you are from this Asia sector today and you want to sail closer home, and if you are from far away, or if you are from the cruise, and you are a junior officer and tu parles un peu de français, c'est très important que tu applications maintenant urgentes parce qu'il y a beaucoup d'opportunités pour cette compagnie que c'est le numéro 1 des LNG, des LPG et des offshore. Thank you very much indeed. If you are a senior LNG, LPG and offshore drilling and accommodation, also apply. Tell us how much you would expect all these wages are on one basis. And continuous employment. We enclose the advantages of the Belgium social security and employment for your information. And then if you are then those tops, please, we need, as you know, at least chief officers 5 years experience, and then second officers about 3 and so. And then the third officers is less experience in LPG, LNG and offshore. And so thank you very much indeed. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.